Did you know that most Samsung TVs can connect to your Wi-Fi in under 30 seconds with just a few button presses? Welcome to our channel, where we're all about making tech easy to understand. In this video, we're going to walk you through the easiest Samsung TV setup ever. If you've ever struggled with setting up a new TV, you're in the right place. We're promising a hassle-free experience that'll get you enjoying your favorite shows in no time. Setting up a new TV can be intimidating, but Samsung has made it incredibly straightforward. Their goal is to make technology accessible to everyone, and it shows in their setup process. You don't need to be a tech expert to get your Samsung TV up and running. Samsung's reputation for user-friendly technology is well-deserved. They've been working on making their devices easy to use for years, and their TV setup process has evolved to be incredibly intuitive. You can expect a smooth experience from start to finish. 1. Introduction: a smarter start to smart living. Setting up a new TV used to feel like a chore, tangled wires, confusing menus, and endless remote clicks. But today, Samsung TVs have transformed that experience into something surprisingly simple and even enjoyable. With intuitive software, AI-powered assistance, and seamless smartphone integration, Samsung has redefined what plug-and-play really means. Whether you're upgrading your living room or setting up your very first smart TV, this guide walks you through the easiest setup experience ever. 2. Meet your Samsung TV, designed for simplicity. Samsung TVs are built with user-friendliness at their core. From the ultra-slim bezels to clearly labeled ports, everything is thoughtfully designed. The included One remote keeps things minimal, no clutter of buttons, just essential controls powered by smart navigation. Even before you turn it on, the hardware already hints at an easy journey ahead. 3. Unboxing and physical setup, done in minutes. The first step is getting your TV out of the box and into position. Samsung packages its TVs carefully, often including step-by-step visual instructions right inside the box. Start by attaching the stand or mounting the TV on a wall. The screws are usually standardized, and most models don't require special tools. Next, plug in the power cable and connect any external devices like a set-top box or gaming console via HDMI. Samsung's port layout is straightforward, so even beginners won't feel lost. Within 10 to 15 minutes, your TV is physically ready to go. 4. Power on, the magic begins. When you power on your Samsung TV, you're greeted with a clean, guided setup interface. This is where Samsung's magic really shines. The TV walks you through each step, language selection, region, and basic preferences, without overwhelming you. The remote pairs automatically in most cases. If not, a simple on-screen instruction helps you connect it in seconds. The interface is smooth, responsive, and designed so that even non-tech-savvy users can follow along easily. 5. SmartThings integration: your phone does the work. Here's where setup becomes truly effortless. Using the SmartThings app, you can connect your smartphone to the TV in seconds. Simply open the app, scan the QR code displayed on your TV, and your phone will automatically transfer Wi-Fi credentials, Samsung account details, and preferences. No need to type long passwords using a remote. This feature saves time and eliminates frustration, especially for users who dread typing on TV screens. 6. Wi-Fi and account setup, seamless connectivity. Connecting your Samsung TV to the internet is a breeze. If you used SmartThings, it's already done. If not, the TV scans available networks and lets you connect with a few clicks. Logging into your Samsung account unlocks features like app downloads, cloud syncing, and personalized recommendations. You can also sign into streaming apps like Netflix or YouTube directly, or sync them via your phone. Within minutes, your TV is fully connected and ready for streaming. 7. Picture and sound optimization: AI does it for you. Samsung TVs come equipped with AI-powered optimization tools that automatically adjust picture and sound settings based on your environment. Features like adaptive picture analyze room lighting and tweak brightness and contrast accordingly. Meanwhile, adaptive sound ensures dialogue clarity and balanced audio depending on what you're watching. You don't need to dive into complicated settings, the TV handles it for you. 8. Smart Hub, everything in one place. Once setup is complete, you'll land on Samsung's Smart Hub, a central dashboard for all your apps, inputs, and content. From here, you can access streaming platforms, live TV, gaming consoles, and even smart home devices. The interface is customizable, so your favorite apps appear front and center. Navigation is fluid, and switching between apps is nearly instant. 9. Voice assistants, control without effort. Samsung TVs support voice assistants like Bixby, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. You can change channels, adjust volume, search for content, or even control smart home devices using simple voice commands. This adds another layer of convenience, especially when you don't want to fumble with the remote. 10. Device detection, plug and play like never before. Samsung TVs automatically detect connected devices like gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, or set-top boxes. Once plugged in, the TV identifies the device and labels it accordingly. It can even configure the remote to control those devices, eliminating the need for multiple remotes. This plug-and-play functionality is one of the biggest time savers during setup. 11. Tips to make setup even easier. Use your smartphone. The SmartThings app speeds up the process dramatically. Keep Wi-Fi ready, ensure your network is stable for a smooth connection. Update software, let the TV install updates during setup for the best experience. Position matters, place your TV where lighting won't cause glare. Explore settings later, don't worry about advanced tweaks initially, the defaults are excellent. 12. Troubleshooting, quick fixes. Even with an easy setup, small hiccups can occur. If your remote doesn't pair, hold the pairing buttons for a few seconds. If Wi-Fi fails, restart your router or try connecting via Ethernet. Samsung also provides built-in diagnostics and support options directly on the TV, making it easy to resolve issues without external help. 13. The future of TV setup is here. Samsung has turned what used to be a tedious process into a seamless, almost magical experience. With smart automation, intuitive design, and deep smartphone integration, setting up a TV has never been easier. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone who just wants things to work without hassle, Samsung delivers a setup process that feels modern, efficient, and surprisingly enjoyable. One of the things that makes Samsung TVs stand out is their SmartThings integration. This feature allows you to control all your smart devices from one place. Voice control is another game changer, making it easy to navigate through menus and settings. Automatic device detection is also a huge plus, as it saves you time and effort. Modern Samsung TVs come with a range of features that make setup a breeze. For example, they have a built-in Wi-Fi connection that lets you connect to your network in seconds. They also have a simple and intuitive interface that guides you through the setup process. Some models even come with a smart remote that can control multiple devices at once. The setup process itself is quite straightforward. First, you need to connect your TV to your Wi-Fi network. This is usually done through the TV's settings menu. Next, you'll need to configure your picture and sound settings. Samsung TVs come with a range of preset modes that you can choose from, depending on your preferences. When setting up your TV, it's essential to avoid common pitfalls. One of the most common mistakes is not updating your TV's software. This can leave your TV vulnerable to bugs and security issues. Make sure to check for updates during the setup process. Optimizing your initial settings is also crucial. For example, you can adjust the picture mode to suit your viewing preferences. You can also set up your TV to automatically turn off when you're not using it. Some users might not be aware of the ambient mode, which lets you display artwork or information on your TV when it's not in use. This feature can be a great way to blend your TV into your home decor. To get the most out of your Samsung TV, make sure to explore its features. For example, you can use the TV's built-in streaming apps to access your favorite shows and movies. You can also connect your TV to your gaming console or soundbar for an enhanced viewing experience. In comparison to other TV brands, Samsung's setup process stands out for its simplicity and user-friendliness. While other brands might require more manual configuration, Samsung TVs are designed to be easy to set up and use. 14. Final thoughts. Samsung TV magic isn't just marketing, it's a genuine shift in how we interact with technology from the very first moment. The combination of intelligent software, minimal hardware complexity, and user-centric design ensures that anyone can get their TV up and running in minutes. In a world where convenience matters more than ever, Samsung proves that even something as routine as TV setup can feel effortless, and yes, a little magical. I've had my fair share of difficult TV setups in the past. But when I set up my Samsung TV, I was blown away by how easy it was. The whole process took less than 10 minutes, and I was up and running in no time. Overall, I'd give Samsung's TV setup process a 5-star rating for ease of use. It's perfect for anyone who's new to smart TVs or wants a hassle-free experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or not, Samsung's setup process is designed to get you up and running quickly. If you've had a similar experience with setting up your Samsung TV, we'd love to hear about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and reviews. We'll see you in the next video.